Hi there, this is Steve Meyer, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com. And we're now going to take a look at both the Australian and New Zealand dollars in here. The Antipodean currencies both looking still very negative despite rebound efforts we've seen in November, December, late November, early December. We still see very much a bearish theme for both these currencies versus the US dollar, generally coming through from US dollar strength, but also some Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar weakness, reinforcing the bearish theme for AUD, USD, and NZD USD. So for Aussie dollar, US dollar in here, the sell-off we saw since the US presidential election result, down through this 2016 trend line, down through 74.38, this September multi-month low, created this multi-month five-peak topping structure in here, and that leaves a far more bearish theme. And say, despite these little rebounds we've seen in here late November, early December, the market, whilst capped below 76.30, we see negative pressures for a challenge down here to 72.84 going into the first part of December, and then potentially into year end down as low as 71.41. A similar pattern in here, but more of a head and shoulders rather than a multi-peak topping structure in here. This is more of a head and shoulders pattern that developed. Again, the reversal of the 2016 trend line, the break below this low in here from October at 70.30, creating this or reinforcing the head and shoulders pattern signaled by the break at this neckline support. And again, despite the rebound effort, whilst below, well, in this case 74.03, we're looking for negative pressures to come back through to challenge lower targets here at 69.48 and maybe as deep as 68.00, even 66.76 as we go through into the end of this year. This has been Steve Meyer, the market chartist for forexfraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.